I'm your math teacher Jeevita. In today's video, we'll be learning more about measurement. That is lesson number 3. In your previous video also, you learned about measurements. That is, you learned what do we measure and what unit do we use to measure the length of the objects. So what are the two standard units you use to measure the length? That is meters and centimeters. You also saw that when do we use meters, when do we use centimeters to measure? When do we use centimeters to measure? When the objects are small, we use centimeters to measure. And when objects are really big, we use meters to measure. So, in today's class, you will be learning how you can write meters in centimeters form and centimeters in meters form. You can write centimeters and meters converted. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can write it in that way. So, today we will be learning how to write it. So, in the last class, we saw the tape and we also saw the numbers here down. And I said, these are the centimeters. From 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, 1 to 2, 2 centimeter, 2 to 3, 3 centimeter. Like this, it goes on. For writing centimeters and meters, converting it, we have one common thing. That is, you can see numbers going beyond 85, 87, 90, 92 and so on. And you see 100 here. If this 100 you see, that means you have 100 centimeters. See children, from here till here where I have cast my finger, till here I have 100 centimeters. To write 100 centimeter, I can also write it in meters. That is, instead of writing 100 centimeters, I will write it as 1 meter. That means this length which I am catching here or showing you is nothing but 1 meter. Okay, I showed you, you have 100 centimeters, right? I have 100 centimeters. It is nothing but 1 meter. So both are equal. You have 100 centimeters. You can also say it as 1 meter because both are same. So now we are going to use this number and convert from meters to centimeters and from centimeters to meters. Before going for the exercise, let us see one small example. So you think I have 146. No, wait. I'll take a simple number for you. I have 200 centimeters. You think my chart is 200 centimeter and I wanted to write that in meters. How will I write that? Excuse me. You know 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Then how much will be 200 centimeters? 200 centimeters will be 2 meters. Just like that, if I have 300 centimeter, I can write it as 3 meters. Right? Now let's change a little. I have 360 centimeters. Now how will I write this in meters? I will just write 3 meters. Remaining 60, I write it as centimeters itself. So how will I write that? This is 300 plus 60. Right children? If I split 360, I can write it as 300 plus 60. Right? So this 300 centimeter will be 3 meters. And this 60 centimeter will be 60 only. So I write 60 centimeters. Did you understand this? So let me give you one more example. I have 450 centimeters. How will I write it in meters and centimeters form? I am going to split this into 400 plus 50. 400 will be 4 meters. 50 will be 50 centimeters. Are you clear, children? What did I do now? I have centimeters. I wrote it in meters. Right? Now let us do the opposite. Are you clear with this? Now I am going to teach you the opposite. I am going to have meters and we have to write it in centimeters. Example, I have 5 meters. That means how many centimeters? You all know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 5 meter will be 500 centimeters. 6 meters, 600 centimeters. 7 meters, 50 centimeters. How will I write this? Just I am going to simply write 750. 750 centimeters. So let me show one more example of this type. 8 meters, 30 centimeters. How will I write that in centimeters now? 830. 830 centimeters. So you have understood how to write from meters to centimeters and also how to write from centimeters to meters. Now let us go for the textbook exercises and practice them. I want everyone to take your textbooks, your pencils and write along with me. Everybody open your Math Sem 2 textbook, page number 92. You're going to work out the exercise 3.1. So, I have written the questions here. This is exercise 3.3. I have meters. I should convert them to centimeters. This is my aim. And I know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So let's start. I have 3 meters here. So how many centimeters? This 300. So we finished the first one. Now let's go to fifth one here. I know this is easy. I think you can finish it. You can only write the answers. I am going to show you fifth one. So you can see 6 meters and 80 centimeters. So how will you write this in centimeters? How I am going to write? Just take 6 and 80. So it will be 680 centimeters. Okay, children? Now, this is also very easy. I want you to write the answer for this. I'll teach you next fourth one here. 4 meters, 10 centimeters. It will be 410 centimeters. Seventh one, 2 meter, 40 centimeter. It will be 240 centimeters. And I want the last one for you to try it. So 4 sums I have done for you. The 4 sums which are very easy, I want you to try it. Now go for the next page. In page number 93, go to exercise 3.4. Here, change from centimeters to meters. So what should we do here? They have given us in centimeters. We have to change it in meters. So let us write the relationship. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So let us see how to do that. 500 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 100 is equal to 1. 500 will be equal to 5. So it is 5 meters. Similarly, 800 centimeters will be equal to 8 meters. Now next two, you will try it. Go for first one here. I have 120 centimeter. How to write that in meters? I write 100 number which is in hundreds place. You know this is ones, tens, hundreds. The number which is in hundreds place, that will be my meter. So 1 meter. Now what about these two numbers? That will be my centimeter. 20 centimeter. So I have written 1 meter, 20 centimeters. Now let's go for sixth one. I have 286. So this 2 is my meters. 2 meters. 86 will be my centimeter. 86 centimeter. And the rest too, you have to work it out, children. And you have to finish it. Now it says, don't keep it pending. I'll be checking it in the interactive sessions. Okay. Now we have to go for the next exercise. So now we are going for exercise 3.5, page number 93. In this, we will be learning how you will add the measurements. So, if you can see your textbook, you have questions written like this. You have meters on one side, centimeters on one side. Both this should have gap in between. When you are writing the answers also, you should write centimeters in centimeters column, meters in meters column. Okay children, let's start. So it is not difficult, it's just like how you add numbers normally, you are going to add them. So first I start adding from my right side. So the number is 4 and 5. So what is 4 plus 5? 4 on your mind, 5 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Similarly, go for the next numbers now. I have 1 and 3. What is 1 plus 3? So it is the successor of 3. That will be 4. Now I have 6 plus 8. So 6 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I am going to write 14 here. This is my first answer. That is 14 meters, 49 centimeters. So let's go for the second one. I have to start adding from this. And I don't have a number here. I am going to add 0. Yes. Let's start adding. What is 6 plus 2? After 6, 7, 8. Anything added with 0 you get? Same number. 9 plus 4. 9 in your mind, 4 on your finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we added it. Children, I am going for the fifth sum now. In fifth sum, start adding 4 and 6. What is the answer you get? You get 10. So I write 0 here. And normally how you do it? You carry 1 to the next number. So now add 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 carry 3. Now go for meter side. 5 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2? 7. 2 plus 1? 3. So, you can see we have just a carry over here. But it's just similar how we do normal additions. So, let's do the next sixth one. I have 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 3 is again 8. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. So this is how we add the numbers in meters and centimeters. The next exercise, we have to subtract the numbers. So all of you will go to your next page, number 94, exercise 3.6. So now let's subtract the numbers in meters and centimeters. So just how you did addition, similarly we'll do subtraction also. So meters in meter side, centimeters in centimeter side. We will start from centimeters. So I have 5 and 1. Children, how you should subtract? You do not open your fingers and close. You have to do the method which I taught you. That is, you should start counting after the number which is down here. So you should start counting after 2, and when you get the upper number 5, you will stop. So start counting. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5, I stopped. So how many fingers I have opened here? 4 fingers. So the answer is 4. Now start counting after 2, stop when you get 3. So after 2, 3, only 1 finger. Start counting after 3 and stop when you get 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have opened 5 fingers. Finish my first one. The answer is 5 meters, 14 centimeters. Now go for the second one. 8 minus 5. Start counting after 5. Stop when you get 8. My answer will be 3. Start counting after 3. Stop when you get 7. The answer would be 4. Start counting after 6. Stop when you get 7. Answer is 1. I don't have any number here, that means it is 0. Any number you subtract with 0, you get the same number. So I got my answer. It is 11 meters, 43 centimeters. Now I am going to do fifth sum. 8 and 9. Start counting after 8. Stop when you get 9. Answer will be 1. Same thing, 6 and 7. Answer is again 1. When you subtract two same numbers, what is the answer you get? You get 0. And start counting after 4. Stop when you get 5. Answer will be 1. We have finished fifth one. Now go to sixth one. Same numbers here. So 0. Next one also have same numbers. 0. Now here 3 and 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 4. After 5, 6. Only 1. So here I have finished 4 sums for you. The other 4 sums you have to practice and show me the answers. So now we'll be going for next exercise 3.6, that will be in page number 95. So in exercise 3.6, What we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the numbers in meters and centimeters. So you all know how to multiply normal numbers, children. Just that we are going to follow. First I am going to take 4, multiply with 2. What is the answer? 4 2s are 8. Next, I am going to take 4, multiply with the next number 1. 4 1s are 4. These two numbers are in centimeters, so the answers also should be in centimeters column only. Now go for next number, 6. 4 6 are 24, and this is in meters, so my answer should be in meters column. In between, you should have a gap here. Okay, children? If you are not able to maintain the gap, you can draw a line like this and write. Let's go for second one now. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2. Answer is 22 meters, 46 centimeters. So let's go for fifth one now. 5 8s are 40. So you write 0 here and 4 carry over to the next place. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 carry. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 9. Next, 5 2s are 10. 0, 1 carry. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. So I got my answer here. Let's go for the last sum, sixth one. 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 5s are 20, so 0 here, 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. So this is the answer. Children, in all the exercises I have worked out 4 sums in each. I want you to try the next 4 sums, and I will be sure that I will be checking all your textbooks in the interactive session. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the interactive session. I hope everyone are clear with all the concepts, and thank you. By this, we will be ending up with the lesson number 3, measurements. Bye children.